Hi, my name's Madeline from the Institute of Strategic Management, and I want to welcome you to PACE, your one-stop learning, compliance and CPD platform included in your CAFPA membership. I'm going to show you how easy it is to use the platform and all the offerings available to you right now. Let's go.
From your CAFPA membership login, you can easily be taken to the PACE platform. You will then land on the My dashboard. The dashboard will provide an overview of your required CPD hours, a list of CPD courses, and a widget in the top right-hand corner allowing you to customize your dashboard and instantly add to keep on track. To get started, there are 6 areas available in the My Courses on the left-hand side, allowing you to select from a range of learning bites for your certified professional development that include CAFPA compliance mandatory modules, further compliance modules, economic environment updates, legislation and regulative updates, products, and business management. Under the relevant area, you'll be able to start or resume a learning bite. To navigate, click on the Continue or the Menu button. At the end of each of the learning bites, there will be a short quiz to complete. Click Start the assessment once you are ready to go. Once you have completed the learning bite, the CPD record will appear under the My Training record on the left-hand side. In this section, you'll be able to download CPD certificates, print all records, and add external training and CPD hours. To add external training hours, please click on the button in the right-hand corner. In this section, you'll be able to add a date, your description, upload documentation, and add the required CPD hours. Once these fields have been completed, click Add.
Now that you've seen everything that PACE has to offer and how to use it, it's time to get started and get your team started. Please know with the ISM learning experience, you'll have a support team of qualified, experienced educators, trainers, admin staff that are here to help you with anything you need. You can ask us about premium and courses available to take you, your team skills, and your business growth to a whole new level. You can contact us on 1300 200 705 to discuss anything at all or your career or business aspirations. Thank you for your time.